Okay, this is Forever 21. Swerte ng makakamine. Nag-iisa lang to ha. Swerte to. Large on tag. And ang kagandahan nito is this is crop. This is Forever 21 for steel. Forever 21 large on tag. So, carry siya large XL. Diba? Ang daming code. Mine dito, B42, 299. B42, 299. Large XL can fit. 299. B42. B42 large on tag. This is Forever 21 can fit up to XL. Okay, ganyan siya. Okay, this is crop ha. Crop to mga madam. Okay, next. Oh, Lopel yung brand nito ha. This is Lopel.
Yan naman yung ano, yung paparimove.
Ganda oh. Oh, steal nyo na si B42. Check ko, madam. A40 natin kay Madam Ani. Okay na yan, ate. A40. Okay, Madam Melit Andoy for steel B42. This is yours. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Madam Ani, kailangan po natin down payment. Mahuhold po yung item mo. Mapupunta po sa second minor.
Ano yan?
Kay Madam Melit Andoy. Old to, diba?
Still siya.
Oo. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. This is 299. Additional 100. Hoy, ang ganda nito, oh. This is large XL. Large XL. Code X8, 250. Code X8. Code X8, 250. Code X8. Code X8.